Laura and Ewan.
Oh.
Hannah isn't joining us today.
Well, she'll join us later.
Yeah, we'll see you later. But I don't think I'm gonna vlog later. I might.
Oh, actually.
See, it was
I
gonna
really
be
like
just
that
my.
lipstick.
Oh,
Just
thank
put mine
you.
It looks really like nice on your lips. If you
Oh,
get me.
thanks.
Like not even just the colour, like the formula.
Yeah, it's nice and creamy. What are you getting? Have you got a list?
That's my
Ewan
password,
is
don't call me
Have
that.
you got a
good.
list?
Trousers, home accessories.
Oh, I can help you with that. I'm good at
You're
interior.
actually moving out. These are so. I don't think that's going to stay. I feel like
No, it won't. See, I don't know what kind of notebooks I want. I also don't know how many notebooks I need. Okay, right now Ewan's looking for. What are you looking for?
we don't really
I'm
know.
looking
Oh, you're in here.
for things I might need for my halls when I move out in 3 weeks.
Yeah,
So
to Oxford.
it feels useful, but I can't think why.
Do you do any like doobies or anything?
I do, but I'm gonna make my mum buy that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good plan. Good plan.
Do you need a mirror?
I've got a broken mirror that I'm just gonna use, I think.
Oh, I need a bag. Not any of these.
Oh, wait, a soap dispenser.
Oh, that's nice. You need a bin though.
You
Do
will.
need a bin.
There's a
That's
bag for it.
kind of
It-
ugly.
it's like a-
If you brought someone back to your room and you had that bin, you'd be getting patched.
Do you need it? That would be handy.
Yes, this is what you need.
Oh, okay, you're right. But
Well,
like
it's not
dressing
that
gowns, winter coat, summer coat,
What if you invite someone over?
house coat.
Oh!
What about flannel?
That's a, no, Hugo Boss flannel. No. Look at that footstool.
What would you use it for?
Your
My
feet.
feet. It's like a tiny one.
That's kind of ugly. Oh, they've got another one. I think it's meant to be guac.
Should I get a tea tin?
Yes, get that one. I really like it. That's nice.
You're
isn't
not
it?
living here.
Get a tea tin. You're going to
You
Oxford,
want to be
Ewan.
that one that brings the tea tin?
That one's nice
That's
too.
true.
I was moving out there.
Which one?
Oh no,
That
that's
one.
so ugly.
Ewan, that's
Edit
the ugliest
that.
one here. No,
you
not
like
that.
that?
No. I want
I'm
this.
quite disappointed by. Oh yeah, what about a scout? And then I can do
Scout.
theatre and be like,
To be.
alas, poor Horatio.
Oh, there's one.
I knew him well. Don't say that again.
It's like I got it.
Oh, it's actually alas, poor Yorick, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Yorick.
It's a skull of Yorick.
Do you need cutlery?
Probably, but I'll just steal some at the
Oh.
house, to be honest.
I love this one, Ewan.
Oh yeah.
It's a weird shape.
But it's so cool.
My spirit animal is a unicorn. Dare you?
Oh, I've got a £5 in my pocket.
That's Juliet drinking at the pub tonight. Just find the five.
I'm wearing this bodysuit from.
I'm going to dancing.
I'm wearing this bodysuit from. I don't really remember. Then this t-shirt underneath. Then this belt from the charity shop. Then these jeans. Grey jeans. And then some Vans. And then now you'll see Laura's tattoo.
Right, just push my sock out of the way.
There it is. It's a wee smiley face. Why did you get that? What's the meaning behind it?
There's not really a meaning behind it, but I like to be happy. And I like to smile. And I like the colour red.
This is becoming a vlog. It was meant to be a back to school come
yeah,
shop with
yeah.
us. I guess that's what we're doing, so I have nothing to shop for in here. Ewan's
gonna
also
go
getting
look for
jeans. Oh, actually I might join.
Yes, you're not the good
So we
actually
finished
shop
in
gone.
TK Maxx. Ewan got quite a lot, obviously Laura and I didn't get anything. And now we're going to go to Asda and yeah, we'll take you along with it. I charge my phone. Okay.
gentleman.
What kind of thing are you looking for?
I don't know.
Neither do I don't know what
I haven't
I
actually
need.
thought about it in any way.
Right, I need pens.
I'm gonna start my
Okay, I think I want like maybe these.
robe that you need it.
Post-it notes?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, yeah, I might get some post-it notes. I always wanted these pens. Maybe I'll get these ones. Pardon?
Where would we get an academic diary?
Sainsbury's, I'm telling you.
Waterstones, that's where I got mine.
Treat myself.
I love those colours.
I have those.
I remember. You had them in English.
Yeah.
Right, you, and this is what we've been waiting for.
That is where
How do you like that?
Maybe I'll just give you the whole night. So what I picked up are these pens, these post-it notes, which I probably don't need. I think I have post-it notes at home, and then these pens. And then I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff. Do you want to show Laura? Do you want to show the vlog what you've got?
So I look horrific. I've got post-it notes and just normal blue pens and then some colour pens to spice it up because I like to write in pink.
I think I want those pens. And I don't think I want the post-it notes. I think I've already got post-it notes and I want colour pens. And I've got the fun coloured ones. This is what you need.
It's got a matching mug.
Do you want to show the vlog what you've got, Ewan?
Grey one.
I've got this towel and these folders and some pens and some dividers.
Lovely. Ewan's going to show you what he got.
Look bad too.
I'm going to sit out of this.
So one of the first things I got was this alarm clock, which I didn't want to buy, but then they said buy it. It was a rip-off.
Which, let's see it. Oh yeah, that was... Oh, I don't like the gold.
You picked it, and you're like, I don't like it, right? And then I bought this over-the-door 3-hook hanging bar. Then I bought some jeans, but that's just because I needed jeans. And then I bought some mugs. One of the mugs I bought was this one. It's got like a wee dog that's like dressed up as the devil on it.
It says Little Devil on the...
Oh, and it says Little
inside.
Devil on the bottom of the mug.
Wow.
Oh, devil dog. Whatever. So that's what I got from TK Maxx. And then I got some like folders and some dividers. And then I got this like wee set some new bathroom sink. Got this corkscrew bottle opener. And then I got some wine glasses. Let's drink lots of vino. And I got some 6 shot glasses, which was maybe a bit ambitious because I'm not going to have 5 friends. So
Oh yeah.
You could do 6 shots.
I could,
Exactly.
that's true. And some pens and a towel and a basin. Because I thought, I wasn't sure like if I'm going to use this basin, and then I realised that I practically whitey every time I drink.
You already saw what Lauren and I bought. Just in case you forgot, I got some pens. I got some more pens. And I got some more pens. But they're all different, so I really needed all of them, I think. Now we're taking a break and we're getting Laura's brother from the train station. Shout out Michael. Does Michael ever watch the vlogs?
I don't think Michael even knows you have a YouTube channel.
And then we're going to go to B&M and then we're going to go to IKEA. And they're going to get dinner.
That's a big bottle of shampoo you bought, Lauren.
That's conditioner, honey.
So we're in IKEA now, but we're
so
eating
happy.
before we go. Food. I wasn't hungry, I wasn't going to get anything, and now I've ended up with like a full meal. I don't know why I did this to myself. Anyway, yeah. We've come now to the bottom bit of IKEA, the bit where you try all the stuff. June so far has a Poirot. The food wasn't that great. I think it's a bit of a waste of money, to be honest. So we're now looking at rugs for Yoon.
What was that? Wugs.
That's so mean.
It's not funny.
Oh, Ewan.
Which one?
Ewan, look at that shelf unit.
That's a nice shelf unit.
Listen to her.
Thanks for the camera. I love the bathrooms in here. This is nice, isn't it? This whole bathroom. When I'm older, I'm going to have such a nice bathroom. It's going to be so nice and white and clean. What are you trying to say?
That's too rustic.
I like
for
this
me.
one.
For this.
Oh, guys, look at this. See if you put your head in the middle.
What happens?
Your face goes wide. Imagine us shopping for a flat next year. We'll be like, yes.
But you guys aren't getting a flat
With
next year.
lights.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
Yes,
You
we
can't
are.
have a flat without me.
It looks like a plant pot. I don't like it.
I've got that in white.
I didn't mean to offend you, Ben. I'm sorry.
Wait, how much is the extension cable?
Which one's this?
It's a plant, mate. Oh my god. What a good angle. I know. I feel like this is like the intro to Friends.
No, you can all get off my trolley.
I've got a vlog to make, guys. Come on.
Do this. Do this.
Wait, so that's
Barking
what I
corner.
really want.
Barking corner.
What's that?
Corner. Barking to it.
The what?
Barking.
Oh.
What the hell is that? Is that been nicked out of prison or something like that? What is that?
You know that makes one straight
What?
Sorry. So we finished at IKEA. I think this is the end of the vlog. It was cut short. We thought we were going to B&M, which we didn't do. And we also were going to go other places, but we're not going. So yeah. Sorry, I'm a bit distracted right now.
Why?
The lighting's quite good here. That's not why I'm distracted.
Does anyone know if we're going
Because
on
I'm trying to
that
think.
Amy or
You
the
go.
other
It's
Amy?
that way. It's that way.
Oh,
Embarrassing! But you feel so embarrassed right now.
stall on your driving test, do you fail?
No, I stalled mine.
Are you sure it's that one?
Yep.
So like go left.
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep. Honestly, I don't know where we are.
Oh, you fucking dick! We literally literally can't get back.
I thought it was this way.
We have to go on the motorway the wrong way and then find somewhere to come off and hope to fuck there's a roundabout.
What?
I knew it wasn't this way.
I didn't know if it was this way.
Well, why did you fucking say that?
I thought it was this way. But now I'm just unsure. No, you can go. There's a roundabout down here, I'm so sure. Maybe.
Doesn't fucking look like this, Juliet.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this.
We're not fucking finishing the vlog on this. We are continuing this.
Okay. Well,
It's like Max
Just keep going then.
Roswell, it's just really inconvenient, Juliet.
Yeah, it is really fucking inconvenient, Juliet.
don't blame this on me.
Oh.
Who the fuck else are we supposed to blame it on?
It's not my fault you don't know the way.
I didn't know the way. I was pretty confident it wasn't this way.
You never made that statement.
I said several times, are you sure it's this way?
Yeah, but you didn't say you weren't sure.
I said because I think it's the other way. No, don't drive tired. I'm fucking tired of that shit.
Oh, the sky looks nice.
Oh, at least the giant looks nice.
Let me just get that in the vlog.
I don't know the way, by the way. I'm just literally doing it.
I'm so sorry. Where are you going?
It's the fucking hospital.
Can I end the vlog now?
No!
Okay.
I had to vlog the whole way home. You know, I hope you're happy with yourself.
I know how to get back from here.
Are you taking the absolute piss?
I think I do. You just go that way.
You know what? I don't trust you.
You can't go that way.
Now we're gonna.
Oh god.
That's not even got fucking 14.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Because I didn't.
And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Do you want to say anything?
Not really.
Laura?
No, continue on Rent Free Road for 3
Thanks.
minutes.